Hey, soundproofing newbies! Want a quieter space without breaking the bank? Let's dive into affordable soundproofing for beginners to transform your room on a budget. Start with ceiling gaps. Grab weather-stripping tape or foam seals from any hardware store. Stick them around doors and windows to block outside noise. It's cheap and effective. Next, add soft materials. Hang thick blankets or old curtains on walls to absorb echoes. Lay down a rug or even stack pillows to dampen floor noise. Use what you've got. Step 3, DIY panels. Cut cardboard or foam mats into squares, cover with fabric, and mount them on walls. They're low-cost echo killers, perfect for small spaces like a bedroom or office. For a quick fix, use furniture. Move a bookshelf against a noisy wall or add cushions to chairs to soak up sound. Test with music. Adjust if you hear leaks. You don't need fancy gear to start. Begin with these hacks, and your space will feel calmer in no time. Ready to try? Visit our website at aerozoom.com to find affordable and efficient soundproofing items. Dive in and enjoy the peace.